I don't know what to say. I just feel like crying.
I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for always coming back to support your baby girl. You all know how we roll on this channel guys. Thank you so much, and you guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much from my heart guys. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for your support. So guys, oh my god, I'm here to reply all my messages, the questions from Instagram. Oh my goodness, thank you for checking up on me. I really appreciate you all, and thank you for all these questions guys, and I'm ready to answer all these questions guys. All right, let's go straight into the question. First question is from Glory Onoja. Okay, she said, what made you start YouTube? Oh my god, what made me start YouTube? Okay, you know, I love making my hair myself. Okay, so I said to myself, why don't I show my people how I make my hair? You know, I like to create things for myself guys. So that was why I joined YouTube. You know, I start making my hair and then upload it on YouTube. Okay, that was the reason why I joined YouTube. Yeah, that is it guys. Thank you so much, very honored. All right, the next question from Joy Star. Have you ever been in a physical fight? Oh my god. I don't know how to answer that. Okay, all right, okay, the answer is no. Thank you so much for that question, but I don't want to go into it. Okay, all right, I also have another one. Emma John, oh my goodness, what do you like to do in your free time? Oh my goodness, I love to play music, you know, dance, play music, do selfie, or go to restaurants. Oh yeah, that's a filming. Oh my goodness, I really enjoy whenever I am free. Yeah, I enjoy myself so much. Thank you so much. You know, I'm full of life. Yeah, that is me for you. A question from Beauty Sugar. How do you try and smile when things get hard? Oh my god, when things get hard, I try to put myself together. I try to have everything. I try to see where this very hard thing is taking me to. Okay, so I begin to laugh at it because I know it's taking me nowhere. So I just smile, I relax, I think about my kids, I think about things that make me happy. I'm the type that laughs a lot. So in every situation, I always smile and give glory to God Almighty. That is me for you. Yeah. So nothing ever weigh me down. I really love this question. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go straight into another one. So another question. Oh my god, Michael Osaige. Okay, he said, what is your favorite animal? I don't have. I don't know. There are lots of animals I don't really like. I don't know why. Thank you so much. This person is so fun. Yeah, but thank you. All right. Too Cute said, do you have a pet? Oh my goodness, I don't. No, I don't. I don't have any pet at all. No, I don't have. Okay. Another person said, John Michael said, describe your personality. Oh my goodness. My personality is who I am, and it depends the kind of people around me. So that is my personality. Yeah, it all depends the kind of people in front of me. You know, that is it, guys. Stella Omobudi. Yeah, Stella Omobudi. Okay. How old do you want to start having kids? Oh my goodness, sis. I already have my kids, yeah. Yes. So that is it. Thank you so much for the question. Okay. Still have, how do you see yourself in 5 years time? Oh my goodness, billionaire. Over rich, you know, driving the latest car. Oh my goodness, living in a mansion. You know, I don't know, many things, many good things, guys. Thank you so much. Pretty Wet said, are you married? Oh yes. Oh my goodness, I am a married woman. Yes, fully married. Thank you so much. Okay. How many kids would you like to have? Oh my goodness, I don't know. I love kids a lot. Yeah, many. I love kids a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. Josephine, what is your attitude? Oh my goodness, my attitude will always be based on how you treat me. Yes, that is my attitude. How you treat me matters a lot. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for all these amazing questions. I really appreciate you all for always supporting me, for always giving me your time. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy to have you guys around me. You guys are so blessed, and I promise to always give you my best. Thank you so much, guys. I don't know what to say. I just feel like crying. Yeah, you know, it's not easy to support who you don't know, but you guys are really doing a nice job by supporting me, by making my dream come true. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you. I'm so happy to have you guys around me. I'm so happy. Sending me guys, showing me, watching my video, sharing my video, giving me good comments, liking my video. Oh wow.